Meaning of epidemiology.
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 Epidemiology. Epidemiology is a branch of medical science that deals with the study of patterns, causes, and effects of health and disease conditions within populations. It involves the analysis of data to identify public health risks, and the development of strategies to prevent and control the spread of diseases. The ultimate goal of epidemiology is to improve public health outcomes by identifying and implementing effective interventions. Through the use of statistical methods and other analytical tools, epidemiologists can provide valuable insights into the transmission, progression, and prevention of diseases in communities.